Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you all how to make a bootable drive. For you all to boot Windows 10 or something, you all need to make a bootable drive. I will be using Microsoft Edge today. If you all have any web browsers, you may use that. Now here you all can see in Google, I opened Google from Microsoft Edge. Search for Rufus. I'll leave a link for this in the description. Here you can see Rufus 3.1 download. That's the correct website. Go and download Rufus 3.1 from that. Click on latest version. Here you can see this is how it would look like when you open the app. When you click on latest version, you will get like this download. It's a very small application, about 1.1 MB. You all can see it's finished downloaded. I will give open. You all can see now it opened. I have my Rufus application. Now I will be opening it. Give administrative permissions for it. Now you will be asked for administrative permissions. If you are logged in or signed in from the administrative account in your computer, no problem. If you need to check updates, just give yes or else give no. This is how it would look like. I have not inserted the pen drive yet, so now I will be inserting the pen drive. You all will be able to see when I insert the pen drive. Here it took CD-ROM 8 GB. Now I will be selecting whether it's disk, ISO, image or non-bootable non-bootable one. So go and select where your OS is there in your computer. That means your disk image. I have my disk image here. Now I have Windows 7 and Windows 10. I will be booting Windows 10 for this. You all can see to scan for viruses and done. Here you can change. Before I start, you can give it to GPT or MRB. If your hard disk is scheduled as GPT partition, give it to GPT. If it is MRA, give it to MRA. You will get a notice like this before you start. Click on OK. Then this deleting partitions and everything, your pen drive will be formatted. You all can see it's formatting, and they are creating the file system. It will take some time. I'll show you all another application that you all can use to boot. Sometimes Rufus won't work for every computer, so I'll show you all how to boot from another application. This application is going to be Win2Bootik. I'll leave a link for this also in the description. You all can see this is the first one. Here click free download. You will be asked administrative permissions to download this also, because Win2Bootik, there will be, if you are using Windows 10, they will scan for viruses automatically. It will download as a zip file. Open it and extract the file. I will just close this and click on the application, and it will extract. And if you want, you can download this feature. I will skip download installation and run it from the zip. Here you all can see this is still going on. It's 1.3%. when this is 100%, you all can see. Now I will be I'll show you all same as before. When you open Win2Bootik, you have to insert the pen drive and select what to do. You all can see what image you want. I recommend Rufus because I am using Rufus and I like Rufus a lot. It's easy for me. So guys, if you all enjoyed and this video was useful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to share this to your friends, so your friends will also know how to make a bootable drive. So thank you for watching.